Hey, what's up guys, this is 1+3. I'm going to show you how to stream movies to your TV or your computer. Well, stream movies to your computer, but basically TV if it has Kodi installed. So first of all, what you need is Allconnect. You can find it in your Play Store easily. This right by it installed. Then you need to go here over TEAtv, right? Download the TEAtv APK. After that is done, you go over here, right? Then after you head to your computer, which is another now that I'm here, go into settings, system, internet access. I've used Proxy Server checked. It showed autofill. Come back out. I'm going to server settings. Going to control, I have allow remote control. Then have these checked. I have these checked also. Then I'll over TV. So I'm back. Let me show you what should happen. Now after you have TEAtv installed, you search for something if you want. Right. Let's just say go watch a TV show, right? So natural, I guess. If I go anywhere, now I'll wait for a few. Shouldn't take over. Now it's up here. Now this is what you should be clicking on. Play with. Just watch. Now whatever you need with PC is what you should choose. So if you go up here into settings, so it provides name is Kodi, and as you can see here, it's under the name Kodi. Now we tap on the green one, right? Now as you can see, it should be playing. Good. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys.